NotebookLM. New use cases are insane. Free. You're wasting hours organizing research that should take minutes. You're stuck in notes that go nowhere, while others are turning the same tool into automated research systems. They're creating professional content in half the time, and you're still wondering why NotebookLM isn't working for you. Hey, I'm Ava. I help people actually use AI tools instead of just collecting them. And today I'm showing you 4 NotebookLM use cases that most people have no idea exist. These aren't basic note-taking tricks. These are full systems that change how you work. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to set each one up. Let's start with something that just dropped. Google added a feature called Data Tables to NotebookLM. This is huge, and almost nobody's talking about it yet. Use Case 1. Structured research data. Here's the problem. You upload a bunch of sources to NotebookLM, articles, PDFs, YouTube videos, whatever, and then what? You get a wall of text. You can ask questions? Sure. But what if you need actual structured data? What if you need to compare information across multiple sources? What if you need to see patterns? That's where data tables come in. Here's how it works. You upload your sources like normal. Then you tell NotebookLM what kind of table you need. Let's say you're researching AI tools for your business. You upload 10 articles about different AI platforms. Then you prompt NotebookLM to create a comparison table. Features, pricing, use cases, limitations, whatever matters to you. NotebookLM scans all your sources, pulls the relevant information, and creates an actual table you can export to Google Sheets. You can customize the columns, add rows, change what you're comparing. This feature launched in December 2024 and is rolling out to all users now. You can use this for competitive research, upload competitor websites and content, create feature comparison tables, pricing analysis, positioning maps, or for academic research. Upload papers and compare methodologies, results, and limitations, all without manually tracking data in spreadsheets. The table isn't interactive inside NotebookLM, but once you export it to Google Sheets, you can edit it however you want. Add columns, sort data, create charts. It's your data now. Now, before I show you the next use case, I need to tell you something. When people first start using NotebookLM, they often get overwhelmed. They know it's powerful, but they don't know how to actually use it for real work. That's when communities like AI Profit Boardroom become valuable. With over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. Communities like this teach you which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. Members share real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Use Case 2, publication-ready content. This one's about turning research into finished content. Not notes, not outlines, actual publication-ready pieces. Here's the setup. You're writing an article or a report or a white paper. You've got all your sources in NotebookLM. Now, instead of just taking notes, you use NotebookLM to draft sections for you. Let me show you how this works. Let's say you're writing about AI adoption in small businesses. You upload 10 sources, industry reports, case studies, expert interviews. Now you prompt NotebookLM specifically. Write a 500-word section about the main barriers small businesses face when adopting AI. Use data from the uploaded sources. Include specific statistics. Write in a conversational tone. NotebookLM generates a complete section with real data from your sources, with proper context, in the style you requested. It synthesizes information across multiple sources. You're editing instead of writing. That's 10 times faster. NotebookLM has a reports feature that generates 2,000 to 3,000 word documents, briefing docs, study guides, FAQ documents, all grounded in your uploaded sources only. You can use this for blog posts, client reports, or any professional writing. Upload your research, specify word count, tone, and style. Get original sections that reference the data. Then edit and polish. NotebookLM always provides citations. Every claim links back to the source document. Click the citation. See exactly where that information came from. This maintains accuracy and credibility. Use case. 3. Interactive mind maps. This one's different. Most people use NotebookLM for text, but you can use it to create visual thinking tools. Here's what I mean. You upload sources about a complex topic. Then you ask NotebookLM to create a mind map showing the relationships between concepts, not just a list, an actual conceptual map showing how ideas connect. Let's say you're learning about machine learning. You upload several articles, then you generate a mind map through the Studio panel. NotebookLM creates a visual diagram with branches showing the hierarchy of concepts: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, deep learning, all connected visually. The mind map is interactive. Click on nodes to explore them, expand or collapse branches. You can click a specific node and ask NotebookLM questions about that concept. You can use this for project planning, content strategy, or learning new skills. The visual format helps you see patterns you'd miss in text. Mind maps launched in March 2025 and are available to all users. Download them as PNG files or export as JSON. Use Case 4, Client Presentations. This one's practical. You need to present information to clients or stakeholders or your team. NotebookLM can help you create compelling presentations. Here's the process. Upload all relevant information, project data, research findings, performance metrics, then use NotebookLM Studio features to create presentation materials. Ask for a narrative. Create a presentation structure that tells the story of problem, solution, and results. Include specific data points and key talking points for each section. NotebookLM has multiple studio outputs: reports for detailed content, mind maps for visual structure, data tables for comparisons. Combine these to build a complete presentation framework. Then take that framework and build your slides. NotebookLM also has video overview and audio overview features. Video overviews generate narrated slides with visuals from your documents. Audio overviews create podcast-style discussions. Use these as presentation aids or pre-meeting materials. Use this for pitch decks, training presentations, or any stakeholder communication. The key is using NotebookLM for structure and narrative, not just content. All studio outputs export easily. Reports to Google Docs, data tables to Google Sheets, mind maps as images. Scale your workflow. Look, these 4 use cases are just scratching the surface. Most people try a feature, think it's cool, then forget about it. They never build systems. That's the difference between playing with AI and actually improving your productivity. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. Link in description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The key takeaway: stop using NotebookLM like a fancy notes app. Start building systems with it. Data extraction, content production, visual learning. These systems save hours every week and improve your work quality. And they're free. Try one use case this week. Pick what fits your work best. Set it up. Test it. See how it changes your process. Build these systems one at a time. That's how you actually get better at using AI. NotebookLM is currently free. Over 80 languages. Up to 50 sources per notebook. Each source holds up to 500,000 words. Upload PDFs, Google Docs, text files, audio, YouTube transcripts, web URLs, pretty much any format. The Pro tier increases limits. 500 notebooks, 300 sources per notebook, 500 chat queries per day, worth it if you're using this professionally. But the free tier is genuinely powerful. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments which use case you're trying first. See you in the next one.